Go to the FaceSwap.dev website and download the FaceSwap software. In this tutorial, I will be using the FaceSwap app to swap the face in a VR180 video, using a face from a standard video. To start, create a folder named FaceSwap project, and copy the 2 videos you want to use into this folder. Open the FaceSwap app. Next to the input directory box, press the Select Video button. Go to your FaceSwap project folder, and select the VR180 video. Now, press the button next to Output Directory, and go to the FaceSwap project folder. Within the FaceSwap project folder, create a new folder called Face A, and select that folder. Now, press the Extract button. This will extract the faces from the VR180 video into the Face A folder, and also creates a face alignment file for the face training process later. The time this takes to complete depends upon the size and frame rate of your VR180 video. Also the speed of your computer. Once the extraction's complete, you should be able to see the extracted faces within the Face A folder. Now, it's time to extract the faces from the other video. Press the Select Video button next to the Input Directory box. Then select the other video. Now, select the Output Directory button. Within the FaceSwap project folder, create a new folder called Face B. Select the Face B folder. Press the Extract button to extract the faces from the other video into the Face B folder, and to create its alignment file. Once extraction is complete, go to the Face B folder, within the Face Swap Project folder, and delete any of the face images you can see that are obstructed in any way by objects. This will improve the face training process. Now it's time to train a model on all the extracted faces from video A and video B. Press the button next to Input A, and select the Face A folder, within the Face Swap Project folder. Now, press the button next to Input B, and select the Face B folder, within the Face Swap Project folder. Press the button next to Model Directory, and create a folder named Model AB, within the Face Swap Project folder, and select that folder. Press the button next to Time-Lapse Input A, and select the Face A folder, within the Face Swap Project folder. Press the button next to Time-Lapse Input B, and select the Face B folder, within the Face Swap Project folder. Press the button next to Time-Lapse Output, and create a folder named Time-Lapse AB, within the Face Swap Project folder, and select that folder. Now, press the Train button to start the training process. The training process could take several hours to several days. The longer you train, the better the result. What to keep an eye on is the total number of iterations shown at the bottom of the window. Anything greater than 70,000 iterations should give a decent result. You can stop the training at any time by pressing the Stop button. Just bear in mind that the longer you train it, the better the face swapped video will look. Now, the final step is to create the face swapped video. To do this, click on the Convert tab, press the button next to Input Directory, and select the VR180 video you wish to face swap. Now, press the button next to Output Directory, and select the Face Swap Project folder. Select MPEG under the section titled Writer. Press the button next to Model Directory, and select the Model A/B folder, within the Face Swap Project folder. Now, press the Convert button, to create your new face-swapped VR180 video. The convert process should be fairly quick, but this depends on the size of your new VR180 video. Your new VR180 video has now been created, and is ready for viewing, on a VR headset.